In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email sequence in Mailerlite. We're going to walk through building a simple automation that sends a series of emails to your subscribers after they join a specific group. By the end, you'll have a complete sequence running on autopilot. First, let's start the workflow. Once you're inside Mailerlite, go to the Automation section. Here, click on New Automation. This is where you'll define the rules for when and how your sequence starts. For the trigger, choose When Subscriber Joins a Group. This means that anytime someone is added to that group, either manually or through a form or integration, the workflow will automatically begin for them. Now select the specific group you want to use for this sequence, and then click Save. It's important to double-check that you've chosen the right group because everyone in that group will start receiving these emails once the automation is active. Next, let's add your first email. On the workflow canvas, you'll see a plus icon. Click that plus icon and choose Email. This creates the first message in your sequence. You'll be prompted to enter a subject line, which is what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so make it clear and compelling. After that, click to design your email. You can use one of Mailerlite's templates or start from scratch, then add your content, images, and links. When you're happy with the design and copy, click Done Editing to save that email in the workflow. Now it's time to build out the rest of the sequence. After your first email block, click the plus icon again and choose Delay. This tells Mailerlite how long to wait before sending the next email. Set the delay duration, for example 1 day, then click Save. Think about your audience and how often they should hear from you. Daily might work for a short welcome series, while a few days in between might be better for longer educational content. After the delay, click the plus icon again, select Email, set your new subject line, design the second email, and click Done Editing. You can repeat this pattern of delay, then email, as many times as you need to create your full sequence. When your sequence looks good, and all the emails and delays are in place, the final step is to activate the automation. At the top of the workflow, toggle the status to On. Once it's turned on, any new subscriber who joins the selected group will automatically start moving through your email sequence without you having to do anything manually.